the battle over control of Britney Spears has come to a head in a court downtown LA
today.
And the combatants are Jamie Spears, her father, and her mother, Lynn Spears. And we know that Lynn is not happy about something about Britney's care.
I can be pretty specific. Lynn wants Jamie out permanently as her conservator of her person because she doesn't think he's doing a good job. She thinks he is mismanaged. She thinks the doctor he hired, the doctor who died last month, did a terrible job with her medicines. And she is in court today. In fact, we got her at LAX arriving for this hearing, and she is going to go into court and ask the judge to take Jamie out permanently.
He's currently off temporarily until January next year.
But she wants him out permanently.
Right.
And there is a critical piece of evidence coming into this courtroom today, and that is a court-appointed evaluator's report, because the judge wanted to know exactly what kind of a job has Jamie done? What kind of a job did this doctor do? Did they give her the proper medicines? Did they care for her the right way? And not only will the evaluator weigh in, we are told there is a strong likelihood that Britney herself is coming to court.
And she is coming to court to side with whom?
With Lynn. With Lynn.
Right. She'll likely side with Lynn, especially given all the allegations made against her dad recently, too. We do know last night the district attorney's office announced that there would be no charges against Jamie Spears. Remember, Kevin Federline accused him of abusing their 13-year-old son.
So, and that's right. Now, there's still a restraining order where Jamie can't have any contact with these kids, and that will play itself out one way or the other. But I am told by sources who know, Britney has not spoken to Jamie since that incident, and I am told actually long before that incident. Right. They have not talked in a long time. That becomes really problematic. Now, the other thing is, and I don't know this, but I'm guessing this, and I'm gonna guess. I think Kevin Federline has a dog in this fight, and I don't know whether he or his lawyer will show up because his kids are involved in this. Because ultimately, whoever the conservator is responsible for the kids because they're responsible for Britney. So I think Kevin Federline may have some voice in this thing today. And then the question, if not Jamie, who? I'm told Lynn does not want this.
And she doesn't, well, do we know what Lynn thinks of the woman Jody Montgomery, who's now the temporary conservator?
Jody Montgomery was the care manager of Britney, and nobody objected to her being the temporary person.
Right.
I don't know whether Lynn is going to advocate for her, but I do think it's going to be some third party that Lynn, at least, is asking for that. Now, we should say, Jamie is not going to give this up without a fight. And I am told there is an expectation on at least one side that there are going to be some big surprises in court. I don't know what the big surprises are, but Britney is expected to show this is going to be what I'm told is just an incendiary hearing.
Hi, my name is Monica Torres from Toronto. I'm just curious to know why Lynn Spears isn't choosing to be the permanent conservator herself, if there's going to be any mention possibly of her taking over. And if not, I would be curious to know if Britney Spears is going to show up in court just to see what she has to say from all of this.
Yeah. No matter what happens, it looks to me like, you know, there's another part of the conservatorship, which is handling her business affairs. Jamie still has that. I don't think that's going to be surrendered. This is really just about caring for Britney.
Lynn doesn't seem to have any issue with that.
Right.